Hi friends, I am Indrojit Rai. You are watching my channel Indrojit Rai Live in Photo Life. Here I will share with you my experience of photography, and the discussion will be quite interesting. So please don't go away. Please listen to the video till end. And if you are new to my channel and if you are not subscribed my channel yet, so please subscribe my channel and kindly press the bell icon so that you receive the notification of my videos at earliest. Therefore, without wasting time, let's get started. Point number 1, what is to be looked at before capturing any image? Before capturing any image, please look at where the sun is located in the sky. Please place yourself in such a position so that the sun locates backside where you are standing, or it is top of your head position. Then only what will happen? Plenty of lights will fall on the object that you are going to capture. Please do not capture any image in against light condition. In against light condition, darks and shade will destroy your photo quality. Let us have a look at a few examples where you will find that the image qualities are quite good, as because plenty of light has fallen on these objects. In case of daylight photography, let us discuss the use of lens hood. Here I am using Canon Make EOS 550D model, and this is the lens hood. Lens hood actually prevents entering of light through sides. So please use this lens hood to improve your image quality. Next point of discussion is how to hold the camera to avoid shakes at the time of capturing any image. You may find the question is quite silly, how to hold a camera, how to avoid shakes at the time of capturing any image, but this is extremely important as far as photography is concerned, as because there are lot many images we have to destroy because of vibrations caused due to shaking of our hands. So the steps are like this: you have to place your both elbow with your body tightly. Then next step is that you have to hold the camera by your both hands tightly. Point number 3 is that you have to place your eye in the viewfinder and it has to be tightly held also, means this. Next point, your right hand finger will be free to press this shutter release button. Point number 5 is that whenever you will click, you should not breathe. You have to stop breathing so as to avoid shakes at the time of capturing any image. Then you have to finally click. If you practice these steps one by one, what will happen? Your subconscious mind will carry out all sort of steps and your image will be absolutely free of any kind of shakes. So please practice these steps one by one. Let's discuss the photography of sunrise and sunsets. Correct exposure and nice compositions are the two keys. Here I will discuss the composition part at first. As far as composition is concerned, please capture multiple images, as because intensity of light frequently changes, and please keep one good subject in between your camera and the sun, then only capture. Without nice image, please don't capture only sunrise or sunset. And, now the next question comes: to what extent you will make your image color blackish, or you will make it fully dark. If some underlying beauty is there as far as the subject is concerned, please make it blackish instead of make it fully dark. Now coming to the discussion of exposure part. As far as exposure is concerned, please maintain ISO at 100. Please do not maintain ISO at auto mode. What will happen? Unnecessary excess lights will enter if you keep the ISO at auto mode. If you increase the ISO value, what will happen? It will entertain more noise in your images. So please maintain ISO at 100. As far as aperture is concerned, please keep the aperture either 8 or 11 or 16. And as far as shutter speeds are concerned, please maintain shutter speed either 1 by 60 or 1 by 125 or 1 by 250. And there is no hard and fast rule is that you can alter these values and you can take plenty of images. So let us have a look at a few examples of sunrise and sunset photographs. That is all about today's discussion of photography. We will definitely meet with some other topic. Kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive the notification of my videos at earliest. Kindly share and comment as well. Thank you very much for your patience hearing. Bye.